Yeah, restoring it, this is the thing with, that I'd say is one of the biggest differences if you're going back to your other question with titanium, is when you're looking at all the parts and the screws and the milled abutments, and it's, oh my goodness, I think about that and I already have a headache, is the SDS protocol is very simple. It's like restoring a tooth. Even better, you don't have to numb it. So it's very simple. And when I'm helping other dentists learn that, you don't have to pack cord. There's no bleeding. It's my favorite procedure for a day. A half hour. You prep a zirconia implant. Oh, it's heaven. Yeah.
In my opinion, the easiest one out there. It's treated just like a tooth, so it's the most intuitive implant on the market as far as ceramics, of course. But dentists already know how to treat teeth, so you just treat it like any other tooth, and so it's super intuitive to any user, from a new user to a long-standing user.
Yes, it's straightforward. It's the most beautiful restoration that you can do, because you see the difference, and then it just looks beautiful the way a smile should look.
It is a dream to restore SDS. When I see an SDS implant impression on my schedule, I do a happy dance.
It's funny, you're not the first person to say something like that.
I enjoy because it's quick, it's easy, and then most of my patients coming from other states, and the other one is for example, in my case, I have a prime scan. I deliver the crown the same day. In the other system, I need to take the impression, pour impression, or scan body, merge everything together, and it's not the same one. That one is like a natural tooth.
Super easy. I mean, you prep the implant like you would a tooth. It's very I feel like it's very compatible to what you would have with a natural tooth, and it's been really easy to relay what I need to the labs as well, because you really treat it like you would a regular tooth.
Restoring SDS implants is very predictable. It's very much like restoring a natural tooth. So as a dentist, if you restore natural teeth, you are very much able to restore an SDS implant. In the one-piece implant system, again, you just grind down the post part, and you have the post and implant that are there. When you have a two-piece system, attaching the post to the implant is very predictable and very easy. It is done gingival level and above, so you're not concerned about cement being stuck below the bone level, and you don't disturb your integration below the gum line. So all the restorative phase, whether it's a one-piece or two-piece implant, done gingival level and above without disturbing the initial healing of the soft tissue after the surgical phase.